morning. Thanks. So we are here in the Dev Days in Lithuania, and it's nice to meet you here. Do you want to represent yourself?
Yeah, sure. So nice meeting you, Gabriel and Daniel. Nice to meet you both. So my name is Santosh, and I live in Germany. I live near Hamburg. So I've been into communities for last 5 years. So I'm a Google Developer Expert for Angular. I'm a GitHub star. I'm also part of a community called NX, where I'm an NX champion. I work full-time at Celonis as a senior software engineer, but this is what I love, coming to conferences, meeting people, talking about stuff I have learned over the years. So happy to meet you both.
Yeah, great. So you are going today to talk about GitHub Actions, right? I found GitHub Actions as an enabler for developer experience. Have you ever experienced something like that?
I mean, this is a great point, because this is one thing which, when I joined GitHub Stars program, because I can interact with the GitHub team directly and give them feedback. This is the first thing which I told them, you know what you have done, you have enabled so many developers who can do DevOps, which they were never able to do it before, but now they can, because GitHub enabled them. And over the experience is actually improved a lot over the years, because when I started contributing to open source in 2019, there were limited resources. Now you see, you can just click off a button, you can just spin up code spaces and just open a PR, and from contributing to repository to getting it merged, the whole experience is so smooth now. So amazing work.
Yeah. Another point that I saw GitHub Actions getting a lot more involved in the development lifecycle is security. Do you think GitHub Actions contribute to security, make it harder? What do you think about this connection point?
So that's somehow my talk is about. So I'm going to talk about GitHub Actions and best practices which involve security. But one thing which I also get to get involved is speak to GitHub security team a lot. And I have some friends there who helped me actually to prepare this talk. And the way they are building it, the way GitHub security team and GitHub Actions team, they collaborate together, and they try to make sure that you are writing GitHub Actions, but you are getting security out of the box many times. And then they're also making sure that if there are some edge cases, they're taking care of it. So it's a huge win for the community, I would say, and a great job again by GitHub security team. So shout out to my friend Joseph.
Yeah. One of the things about developer and security is the overhead that it's created on the development process. Do you have any best practices how to use GitHub Action wisely, that it will not create a lot of overhead and break the velocity? Because, GitHub Action create a level of automation and create a level of delivering better software. But at some point, for example, developer gets a lot of annoying messages or annoying comment. What do you think some best practices to balance the experience, the velocity, and the way to make developer loves the...
Yeah, I mean, look, so to avoid all this noises from your workflow, of course, you have to rely on tools, right? And this is where CodeQL does a great job. So if you are using GitHub Actions, I think you should add all the tools which are available, especially CodeQL. So you can capture all those security issues beforehand, right? Not after merging your PRs. Or use another tools, for example, Sonar Cloud, right? It also gives you idea about what are the different security issues in your code base. But of course, they both have a good integration with GitHub Actions. I don't want to take a side that you should go ahead with CodeQL, but your choice, whatever your organization feel comfortable with. But there are tools. So, and that's what you have to do. Just don't try to do it manually, right? I mean, why you should fight or try to resolve an issue which is already resolved.
Yeah. So you say the best practice for GitHub Action is make sure that also the handling the cases, not only just informing the developers what to do, but give them also steps how to solve this stuff, make the GitHub Action also solve that?
Sure. I mean, that's what you should do. Otherwise, you will just keep fighting the same comments, same review comments, same issues again and again.
That's great. So good luck with GitHub Action. Good luck with your talk today.
Thank you.
We're happy to meet you.
Same here, Gabriel. Thank you, Daniel.